Hi, we are Seafood, and our company is developing an app to help you break out of your comfort zone when ordering food. This problem first occurred to me when I was in Paris with my friends. The menu was in a different language, so it's very difficult to read, as you may think. But lo and behold, it happened when I got home. When my friends and I went out to a Chinese restaurant, I stuck with what I knew, orange chicken, and they went with something a little bit more foreign. However, when the food came out, it was completely different than what we had imagined. This brought me to a problem at hand, and just recently, Madison, our customer archetype, helped us refine our problem and gave us a more clear direction for our application.
Hi, my name is Lee, and I'm the team leader. I'm the project manager.
Hi, my name is Marisara, and I'm business communications.
I'm Nathan Gardner. I'm the designer.
And I'm Mark Astrino, the programmer and also designer for the application.
So this is our customer, Madison. She's 25. She's a recreational therapist, and she says that she eats out at least 2 times a week. She said it's very difficult for her to eat at foreign restaurants because it's difficult for her to order. She says that it would be easier if she were able to know the top dishes at that restaurant or the most popular dishes at that restaurant. So it really poses the question, how can we help the customer? How can we help Madison be able to have more confidence ordering at foreign restaurants?
Okay, so how the app works is you go out to a restaurant that you like and scan the menu item or choose from the top review that already display in the top part of the app. Then the app will display relevant dishes with more understandable explanations, and after that the app will let you leave a review on the dishes, so it will help not only you and other people to know how people think of that specific dishes. So this is how the app would look like for in the futures, but yeah.
And for market opportunity, when we go to foreign restaurants, we normally stick with what we're used to eat. So, now with this app, with the recommendation on it, it will be easier than ever to order a menu item confidently, knowing you'll be satisfied. Competitive analysis. So our competitors are Yelp and Google Review. But what they don't have is we have the recommendation for the popular dishes, which most of people likes at this restaurant. And then we have the pictures specifically of this dish point directly on the menu. And for business module, this app will go on to Google Play and Apple Store. You can download from there. So we make money by using the in-app ads to make profit. What we've done is we have defined the problem in January, and we stick some interviews in February, and we are doing more interviews in March. And we will define solutions and those features in April, and then later in May, we'll do the program, make the program application, and then in June we'll do the software release. And we are Seafood.